Hey everybody, this is the dashboard, and we're going to take you on the grand tour of the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for May. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a newer video for the channel. Not sure how you guys are taking it, how I'm liking it, but I hope you guys do like it. So anyway, here we go. Alright, good morning everybody. We are out at the May edition of Yulee Cars and Coffee in their monthly meetup. I'm going to take you on the grand tour. Check out this Shelby F-150. And that thing is sweet. Got a nice looking OBS, brick nose, whatever you want to call it, F-150 beside it. I'm not all up on the what's what on the F-150s. The old body styles anyway. Sweet looking Camaro. We got all kinds that come out here. We even got a selection of motorcycles. Kias. Oh look, it's Saturn. I don't see them very much anymore.
Yeah, I heard of this too. That's why I was
Nice looking Maserati.
I don't want to leave.
Oh look, the Camaro farm. Got all kind of Camaros out here. Oh look, a Corvette among the Camaros. Got to wrap back around. They don't pull out in traffic, because people don't stop for pedestrians or anything else around here. Anyway, even got a couple of Holdens out here today. Old Rat Rod VW bus, or Rat It Out, whatever you want to call it. A couple of Mustangs. I like this little Celica here. See him a lot. Check this Volkswagen out. A couple of nice old Camaros. '72 Chevelle. I like that Galaxy 500. Fairlane Special there.
You guys check that out.
The orange Squadron Camaro here. That thing's cool. Always got people crawling by looking. Do a burnout. Got a nice Porsche from in the Brumo's livery. Brumo's looking car.
It's out the best thing going. No, I got to travel.
Awesome McLaren. Oh, Datsun 270, 280Z. I'm never good with the numbers on those. Can't never remember what the numbers are. There's the old dashboard. Off to the side, staying out of the way. It's an interesting thing, trying to sell off-road stuff. Anyway, that's going to wrap up the grand tour of this one. It's kind of hot out here today, I'm going to tell you. So, it's going to be short. Everybody's thinking about taking out early. So, we'll see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this edition of Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for May. It's going to wrap up this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, I hope you'll consider dropping us a like or a comment or share us around or even subscribe to the channel. We're looking for subscribers. We're trying to get to 500 for our initial goal. Anyway, share it around to all your car people, even your non-car people. We don't discriminate around here. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I always say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. And we'll see you guys on the next one.